To connect YUNZII keyboard to Bluetooth, the first thing that you're going to do is at the very top of your YUNZII keyboard is long press the gray button that you can see, and then afterwards the keyboard will automatically light up. Now if it does not happen, what you need to do is click on the toggle button that you can see to 2.4G, and then afterwards on your YUNZII keyboard press on the R option, long press it. Now, after long pressing it, it should look like this, which is the keyboard is now turned on. So what you need to do so that you can automatically process the Bluetooth is long press the key W and Fn. Then the other options for you to actually connect it with Bluetooth or to another device is use a Type-C keyboard that you can go ahead and connect from your YUNZII keyboard or to the device that you want to connect with.